Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your commission and the signer's eligibility. This protects you legally. Once done, examine the document for blanks and ensure all required sections are filled, because a seal on an incomplete form can be rejected. Make sure the signer presents an acceptable ID and that you record the ID details in your journal. Take the stamp in hand, align it with the designated seal area, and be ready to press cleanly and straight for a crisp impression. You now align the stamp carefully so the impression won't cover printed text or signatures. Placement matters because courts and agencies reject poorly placed seals. Press the stamp down evenly, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and lift straight up to avoid smudging. Once stamped, sign the journal with the date, type of notarial act, signer's name, and ID details to create an audit trail. If multiple pages need stamping, mark page numbers and repeat the same technique for consistency. You finish by inspecting the seal for clarity and completeness. A faint or smudged impression can invalidate the notarization, so verify now. If the impression is unacceptable and the document allows, re-notarize following your state's procedures. Make a journal entry explaining the correction. If you can't reissue, notify the signer and advise them to obtain a fresh document. Finally, secure your stamp and journal. If the stamp is lost or stolen, report it to the commissioning authority immediately to prevent fraud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.